What's up, gamers? Okay, so today...
Alright, welcome to AvgD's version of Jackass. We made a kind of a bomb. It's got 3 firepower firecrackers, and it's in a fucking bowling ball. I mean, completely legal firecrackers.
Yep.
And I also put some the powder in there too, so...
Show 'em.
Looks kind of fucking goofy, but that's full of powder. As is that one's not, so it couldn't fit, but...
Is it called Redneck Ingenuity?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, Zach's gonna start walking out right now.
Good luck.
Good luck. Don't die. Hey, are we staying in the vehicle?
No.
No?
It can't be that bad.
Okay, when I die, it's on you guys.
Okay, someone will find a video. That'll be good.
I'm staying behind the door. Fuck this shit.
Galileo. This is gonna be fun.
The fuck? Flip the camera. Ah! How do I flip the camera while it's on? That's not it. Hold up, Zach. Hold up. Zach's about to light this bomb. He is sitting on it. I do not feel any regret. 3, 2, 1, light it!
Get it.
Where'd it go?
It's gone.
Hey, there it is!
Oh shit! Is it hot? No, dude.
Find the other shit.
What the fuck, man? Get in my car. Grab it. Let's go. There's a car.
Go!
Around us, but in the road. I don't trust it.
I'm keeping this in the fucking mantle. Oh yeah, that was fucking awesome. I didn't think.
All right, we're getting the fuck out of here. We'll be back momentarily.
All right, welcome back, everybody. So it fucking worked. Above what we thought it would. But
No,
above what I thought it would. Nonetheless,
I'm putting it out.
This is all that's left.
I said it would do that. Zach didn't think that was
I
enough
didn't think
power.
It would. It fucked them up though.
You
It looks
can,
better.
you guys can't smell it, but we can smell
Yeah,
that
it
it's
smells like
burnt.
fucking burning coal.
Lou's ball's gone.
Yeah, fucking Lou. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks.
Man, that's badass.
So, that's about it for the night. We'll see you guys on another episode of Jackass.
Go ahead, smash that fucking like button. Go ahead and tell your buddies sub. Comment if you want.
Turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video.
Fucking like the shit out of it. Thank you for watching Jackass.
See you guys next time. Guys, we're back. Sorry, a little short, but we just found some new evidence to the fucking bomb.
Dude, let me put it together.
I guess that little chunk Derek has,
It come at me.
Yeah, that's why I was scared about my fucking car, because it was coming at it.
that shit was shot.
I don't know where the fuck this would fit, dude.
That shot about 20 feet towards us.
God, I thought it was backfired.
So, that's about it. New evidence found. Probably never find the rest of the ball.
Oh, fuck no.
So,
Some idiot's gonna
all
find
right.
it sometime. What is this?
Alright, see you guys till next time. Peace.